I'm so grateful. You are welcome. Thanks for your hard work on this. You are welcome. I couldn't have done it without you. You are welcome. Thanks for having my back. You are welcome. Please accept my deepest gratitude. You are welcome. I owe you one. You are welcome. Much obliged. You are welcome. I appreciate you. You are welcome. It means the world to me. You are welcome. You're welcome is by far the most common response. And honestly speaking, there is nothing wrong saying you're welcome, as it's perfectly valid way to respond to thank you. But I think we overuse it. And different responses do have different meanings. In order to expand our vocabulary and to make our speech more diversified, we need to learn different alternatives. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great day. So today I'm going to teach you better alternatives to use instead of saying you're welcome. So let's start. Here are some casual alternatives of you're welcome. First phrase is don't mention it. Next phrase is no problem. Next is glad to have helped. Next is anytime. Next phrase is by all means. Next is sure thing. Next is it wasn't a problem for me. Next is I know you would do the same for me. Next is it's truly a pleasure. Next is your smile is thanks enough. Next is that's completely alright. Next is let me know anytime I can help. Thank you for allowing me to help. Next is I have got your back absolutely. Next phrase is the feeling is mutual. Next is that's fine. Next phrase is have a wonderful day. Next phrase is you're very welcome. Next is oh, don't give it a second thought. Next phrase is oh, no need to thank me. Next is I'm glad to do it. Next is let me know if you need anything else. You would have done the same in my shoes. You owe me like $50 million. Next phrase is just returning the favor. Next is just don't worry about it. Next phrase is honored to have helped. Now I'm going to teach you about different ways to say you're welcome professionally in an email. Oh, it was my privilege. You can say anytime, buddy, or anytime, miss. Next is just doing my job. Next phrase is I'm happy to be of assistance. Next is I'm glad you are satisfied. Next is I'm glad that you liked it. Next is oh, no need at all. Another one is I'm here to help. Next is you deserve it. Next is I hope you enjoy it. Next phrase is it's just a sign of appreciation. Last one is it's great to know that I have made a difference. By the way, just imagine your colleague asked you to help her and then she said thank you. Instead of saying you're welcome, say this. That's what good colleagues do. Repeating the same sentence over and over again can become monotonous and will make our conversation stale. So try replacing you are welcome with these alternatives that I have taught you. And you will definitely notice that how positive impact this has on your conversation. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share.